Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses, model GG0184O in color code 005. The color of the frame is transparent. And these glasses are rectangular shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. Its temples are also transparent, and they have a gold design inside. And the Gucci logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame. And in the middle of its nose bridge, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold as well. This is the under temple. And the Gucci logo is here as well. On its inner right temple is the serial number, the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 50 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And it has the Gucci logo in gold inside. A Gucci dust bag. A white and black Gucci cleaning cloth. A Gucci authenticity card. And a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.